Awning window installation in Tampa, FL, is a popular choice for homeowners seeking to enhance their property's aesthetic and functionality. With a variety of awning window styles and awning window designs available, residents can find the perfect match for their homes. Awning window contractors in Tampa offer expert services to ensure a seamless installation process, providing energy-efficient awning windows Tampa that help reduce energy costs. For those in need of awning window replacement in Tampa, there are numerous awning window experts ready to assist. Whether it's a minor fix or a major overhaul, these professionals can handle all aspects of awning window maintenance. Regular maintenance is crucial to prolong the life of your windows and maintain their energy efficiency. Custom awning windows. Tampa offer a personalized touch to any home. Homeowners can choose from a range of awning window options, including vinyl awning windows and aluminum awning windows, to suit their specific needs and preferences. These custom solutions provide both aesthetic appeal and practical benefits, such as improved ventilation and natural light. Awning window replacement in Tampa is an excellent way to upgrade your home. With a focus on energy-efficient awning windows, homeowners can enjoy reduced utility bills and a more comfortable living environment. Awning window upgrades and awning window enhancements are available to meet the unique needs of each property. Awning window suppliers in Tampa provide a wide selection of awning window parts and awning window accessories. From awning window frames to awning window glass and awning window hardware, these suppliers offer everything needed for a successful installation or replacement. Quality materials ensure durability and long-lasting performance. The benefits of awning windows Tampa are numerous. Awning window features such as easy operation, weather resistance, and enhanced security make them a top choice for many homeowners. Awning window solutions are designed to withstand the Florida climate, providing reliable performance year-round. For those looking to improve their home's curb appeal, awning window fittings and awning window enhancements offer a stylish and functional solution. Awning window styles in Tampa range from traditional to contemporary, allowing homeowners to find the perfect fit for their architectural style. Energy-efficient awning windows in Tampa are an investment in both comfort and sustainability. By reducing heat transfer and improving insulation, these windows contribute to a more energy-efficient home. Awning window benefits include lower energy bills and a reduced carbon footprint. Awning window contractors in Tampa are skilled in providing top-notch service and expertise. From initial consultation to final installation, these professionals ensure that every aspect of the project is handled with care and precision. Awning window experts in Tampa are dedicated to delivering high-quality results that meet the needs of their clients. Aluminum awning windows. Tampa offer a sleek and modern look, while vinyl awning windows provide durability and low maintenance. Both options are available from reputable awning window suppliers in Tampa, ensuring that homeowners have access to the best products on the market.